Alright, so this is how I lost my funded account. Honestly, a very bullshit trade, to be honest. And, it is what it is. It's fine, it was only 50 bucks. I learned from my mistakes, and I know what was happening, so this is what happened today. So for news, we do have 8:30 and 9 news, but that didn't do anything to the market. Yeah. And then we do have 10 o'clock news in 2 minutes. I'm gonna try just because I'm not copy trading on this one anymore. So what happened today? Let me just get to draw some liquidity for you guys. What happened today is that we're bullish. I mean bearish. Sorry, we're very bearish on the daily and on every time frame too. So as you can see, the 4 hours right here, all these draw some liquidity. So in the 15-minute, I was trading my new strategy, which is the 15-minute fair value gap break of structure. As you can see, we did get a break of structure right here, and we got this fair value gap here. So then after that fair value gap, I went on the 5-minute, and then market open, and then we came into that fair value gap, filled it in, and then I was looking for shorts right after that. What happened was I was too confident and I couldn't catch the move fast enough, sorry. So as you can see, the move happened without me. I would have been in take profit. I was gonna put my stops above here, targeting these lows for a 4.2 restore order ratio. Cool, right? So what happened next is we did get this fair value gap here. I could have also shorted right there, but I didn't, targeting these lows. So I was like, okay, we're gonna want to go lower, right? So we had on ES, it had not swept any of these draws of liquidity. So we had this 1 minute fair value gap, and I was looking for shorts right after it tapped in. As you can see, it tapped in here. I was gonna place my order there. When I placed it, my order over here, it was on NQ, so it was right here instead of here. I went in for 10 contracts because on ES you have to put more contracts in. And here you can see what happened was that I was I went in here, filled me in here, and the price after filled me in like right here, this price started going up. So I lost $250 for how many points is this? For a 9 point candle, right? And I think this is just crazy. I think this is just crazy, to be honest. It filled me in. I lost 250. I was like, fuck no, because if this shit retraces, I'm gonna lose all my money. So I closed out. The moment I closed out, look at this. Look at what happened here. This is the moment I closed out, right? Honestly, this is bullshit. Um, I can't really do anything about it. And my trade on ES would have played out perfectly, as you can see. So it was my fault. It was my fault. I didn't see. I forgot. Honestly, I didn't realize what was going on. And yeah, that's what happened today. So mistakes, and then also after this happened, I got into this move because I thought it was gonna go lower, but it didn't. As you can see, it stopped me right out, targeting these lows. So I guess that was the whole move right there. Um, yeah, that bullshit, to be honest. But what can I do here? And then on this one, we got a 5 minute break of structure here, right here. I mean, a 5 minute inverse fair value gap. And then on the 1 minute, you can see that price came in to fill in this fair value gap here. Let me just show you real quick. But I'm winning right now. Great. Anyways, as you can see, price came into top on into this fair value gap here. So then next candle I entered for two contracts, risking my whole account basically, because now we were down only for like $100. And yeah, man, that's basically what happened. So I don't know, man. I don't know what happened today. I was right about my trades, but the execution just wasn't right because I wasn't executing right. But it did give me a confidence boost because now I know what exactly to look for. And yeah, here as you can see on my new funded account, we are down quite a lot of money. Quite a lot of money right here. $1,000. It's just fucking insane. I might just restart both my accounts. Um, did this fill me in? I should fill me in now. So yeah, I might just restart both my accounts because this is not looking too good. And there's really nothing we can do. There is really nothing we can do about this, right? Unless for this one we take another short here, which I don't think I'm gonna do because I don't know, man. This was just a very, 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 very weird day for me. I won this trade, obviously, but what can we do about this, right? I don't know if I'm gonna restart the accounts or I don't know what's gonna happen. I know what I'm doing, right? I know what I'm doing, but this is just a rookie mistake. This was gonna be my trade for the day, and it would have played out perfectly. So I don't know, man. I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait until tomorrow and see what happens. So yeah, more explanation before we leave this. We got a 5-minute break of structure here. On the, I mean, 1-minute break of structure, and then on the 5-minute, we also get the same break of structure, but up here, and this inverse of the fair value gap. And then after that, we just wait for tapping into a fair value gap after the break of structure. Right here, and then up here. Right off of here, and now, yeah, that's the trade for today. I might be looking for shorts now, just to at least make my money back. We still have 30 more minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. So, see ya. Shit, boys, I can't believe this just happened right now. This is absolutely insane. So, look at my screen, man. Look at my screen. We're up $200 for the day. I actually fucking made a comeback with that. I made a comeback with that. I'm not gonna lie. I cooked. Yeah, I cooked. So, first of all, that long that I was talking about in the earlier video, that tapped into here and then showed great rejection off of it. I got in and then risked the rest of the money that I had for my funded, and then got in here for that's a win. And then price came down a little bit to show, because we got a nice because we already did the move down, right? So we're gonna be bullish the rest of the day. So I was looking for longs after a tap into one of the fair value gaps, which it happened on ES, as you can see. And then also we inversed this 15-minute fair value gap, so I was like, okay, we're for sure gonna continue higher. Honestly, man, if I'm being honest with you, I kind of gambled it a little bit because I was like, at this point, about to lose my account, so I might as well. So, I copy traded on this one because I knew it was gonna target these highs because NQ had already taken those highs. And also we had a 5 minute SMT. This is ES, and then this is NQ. As you can see, this one with the higher high, and then a higher low, and then we have a higher low with the higher high. Higher high with the higher high, basically. So if we go into the 1 minute, if we go into the 1 minute, you can see that we did fill in this fair value gap here, and then we try to come up on down here. But then we showed after it came up here, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna long it from here. I de-risked a lot, actually. I de-risked, but then as soon as this move happened, because this is EQ equilibrium right here. Let me just get rid of all of this so you can guys kind of see. We hit NQ perfectly, and then we were about to move from there. So what happened here was that after I longed right here, this was my actually no, I longed like right about here on this one. So I longed here with my stops right about there, and then just targeting the highs that were yet to be taken. And then after that, I sized up my contract, and then it moved everything to break even. So I was in for 10 contracts, and then I was targeting these highs. As you can see, we did win the trade, and it's still continuing higher, so I could have held the trade for a little bit longer for runners. But yeah, the only good thing is that for my second account, I'm only down $138, $180 today, 500 on total for the week, which I could definitely make it back. I like the way we traded today. I like the way we traded today, even though, we kind of made a mistake. We were right about our bias, and we were right about all of our trades. So, except for the one that we actually lost. So, yeah, coming into the middle of this week, tomorrow, well, today's Tuesday, January 28th, and then tomorrow morning, I have a flight to Barcelona. I have to go over there, and then I will be trading over there, so I will be making a recap if I can over there, and if I can't, then oh well. So yeah, this day was crazy. We ended up being up 200 on the first funded, and then down 180 on the second. Not bad, not bad to be honest, but we can do better. And then yeah, we played it out very well today. Played it out very well. If it wasn't because of that mistake with my market order, honestly, we could have made more money because as you can see here, this was going to be the move that I took right about there. This would have been the move that I took right here. So can't complain because we're not down for the day on this account. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes tomorrow, and hopefully it doesn't go as bad as this. Let's see tomorrow what we have. Tomorrow we do have FOMC, so I'm probably, I don't know, man, probably not gonna be trading, or might not. I don't know. We'll see. If a good setup presets and presents itself, then we'll be able to take a trade. But if it doesn't, then oh well. This trade made me $500 right here on both accounts, so that's $1,000. And then yeah, it just took out all the risks that I had, all the PNL to the low side that I had. I could have taken it on this one, but I didn't. So that is it, and I will post this in a bit.